Okay, let's look at this next problem. Emily bought 3 packages of lollipops at H-E-B last week. Each package contains 6 lollipops. How many total lollipops did Emily have in all 3 packages? Okay, so let's think about this important information and what this question is asking us and what it gives us. Emily bought 3 packages of lollipops at H-E-B last week. 3 packages is going to be the important information because that is the total number of packages she bought. And then each package contained 6 lollipops. That's the total number of lollipops in each package. I want to know the total number of lollipops Emily had in all 3 packages, okay? So the question's asking us to find how many total lollipops did Emily have in all 3 packages? Well, let's plug some information into our GET model. Okay, how many groups do we have? Do we have any groups here? If you said we have groups, you are correct. Okay, what are our groups? The packages of lollipops are going to be our groups, so that's going to be 3. Do we have an equal number in each group? If you said we do have an equal number in each group, you are correct. Now, what is the equal number in each group? How many lollipops are in each package? 6 lollipops are in each package. Now, do I have a total? How many total lollipops do we have in all 3 packages? We do not have a total. That is what the question is asking us to find. So, that's what we're looking for. Now remember, when you're looking for your total, what operation are you doing? You are multiplying. Okay, so we're going to multiply. The only 2 numbers that we have in our GET model are 3 and 6. Those are going to be the numbers that you're going to be multiplying. Okay, so 3 times 6 is what you're multiplying. You could do equal groups. You could do repeated addition. You could make an array. I'm going to do equal groups in this case, okay? So I'm going to do 3 groups. So I'm going to let this be a group, that be a group, and that be a group. Those are my 3 groups. And how many are going to go in each group? 6 are going to go in each group. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? There's 1 group. This is 1. Right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are my 3 groups and 6 in each group. These are my 3 packages of lollipops, and these are the 6 lollipops in each group. So now I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so now we're going to write our answer. We do have a total. So the total is going to be 18. And remember, in your answer, I want you to write the number sentence or the equation that you're going to be using. And the equation that we used was 3 times 6 equals 18. So there you go. That is how you use the GET in a multiplication problem. Here, GET was modeled in a division problem. So now you're going to do this one by yourself. And let me erase this real quick so you can see this. You're going to do this one by yourself, okay?